Hello, this is Christian with Topline Roofing. Today we're here at 69 Elderberry Lane, Willingboro, New Jersey, about to do a tint repair for Mr. Pedro. As you can see, this shingle has a missing shingle for wind damage. I will be replacing with another piece. You can see we just took this piece off. You can see how the shingle is like too brutal, it's just breaking apart. You can also see the shingle has two layers. There is another layer underneath this. I will be replacing with this new shingle. As you can see, I just finished replacing this shingle, and you guys can see the creases that this shingle has. This was not like that. This one is completely, it has a complete big crease, so is this. So this roof is not repairable.